We are living crazy times. You can achieve results like this by using platforms like Lovable without writing a line of code or without knowing to design really. Basically, all you need to do is connect some products, connect the dots, and achieve products like this. Your job basically becomes to be a great product manager and let AI do its thing. I'm going to show you how I achieved this, my process with Lovable. If you want to check Lovable out, there's a link in the description. You can check it out there. When using AI platforms, in order to create our websites, we want to make sure that our first prompt is full of information and context so that the AI can make a stable and serious foundation that we can build on top of. This is by far the most important thing, the first prompt. So if we nail this down, we will have a much easier time. We will save a lot of money and a lot of time. So in order to do this, we want to spend a lot of time in perfecting our first prompt. This is my prompt for my so-called SaaS app. And I didn't write this by hand. I just interact with ChatGPT in order to give me a better prompt that I could have given it. And you can do this by using the custom ChatGPT called Lovable base prompt. You can find it in the link below in the description. Basically, this custom GPT is trained on the Lovable documentation about prompting. I will leave a link to this document also in the description. It's basically all the information you need in order to make sure that you know what you are doing when prompting Lovable. So this will be my app. It's called Quantly. It's obviously a fictive app. It doesn't matter. So this is the core prompt. I want to build a real-time product, analytics SaaS that helps SaaS, fintech, and marketplace teams instantly understand what keeps customers and what generates revenue. It should feel premium, classy, modern, and friendly, human, and be optimized for web and also mobile. This is the name of the app. I gave it also the target audience, and also I gave each page a name and a short description about what it should contain. At the end of the prompt, I also gave it the design preferences. Like I said, it's important to make sure that you give Lovable as much context and information, and this applies also to design preferences, because Lovable will make those templatey designs if you give it a short, vague prompt. But if you take your time in order to nail this down, it will make your process much easier. Now let's copy the prompt and paste it in Lovable. As you know, this will take some time, so I will pause here and get back when the prompt is ready. Okay, so this is what Lovable made based on our first prompt. This looks pretty good. It has some minor defects that we can work on, but so far this is looking pretty promising. We can see that we have also this hover effect with the glowing on the edges. We have also the pricing. I'm not sure it included all the pages. I think it missed some of the pages, but that's no problem. We can fix that. Yeah, also the links in the nav bar don't seem to work, besides pricing. But I'm not gonna lie, this is a very good generation based on our first prompt, and we can see the power of the first prompt if we take our time and actually craft our prompt in order to give Lovable as much context and information as possible. Now I want to show you what it would look like if we, let's say, we only give this this prompt to Lovable. And I will come back as soon as this generation also is completed. Okay, so the results are here. Now we can obviously see the difference between a basic prompt and a well-crafted prompt that offers Lovable context in order to make a good design. You can see this templatey design that Lovable loves to make. You can see this gradient text. This is very overused in Lovable generations. All these charts, all those fonts, you can basically tell this is a website made in Lovable. Obviously, it doesn't even compare with this result, even if this is still basic as well, but we have a better foundation to work on. Now, the next step, in order to step it up a notch, would be to browse those website components. I use 21st.dev. Those are good components. They are proven, they work, they are made by experienced designers. And we don't have to create them from scratch. We can use them, obviously not copy them, but use them as a starting point and integrate them in our designs. For our product, I liked this one. I think we can use it. So you have to open your component, and we need to copy the prompt. Here we are going to choose our AI platform. We are working with Lovable. We are going to copy it, and we are going to paste it in our Lovable project. So I'm going to ask it first to install this component. Okay, so the component is installed. Now I'm going to ask it install the component as the hero section. Also make the design of the whole website consistent with the design of the component. Okay, that's ready. So we can already see this is much better. We have this animation, this floating objects. It changed those icons as well. It changed a bit the color scheme. This looks great. Now, obviously, we don't need to let it be this way. Basically, copy paste the 21st dev component. We can change it as we please. We can change the colors, change the animation, everything that we will want to make our own, basically. But the thing is that we don't have to make those changes from scratch. We already have proven designs that we can implement, that we can get our inspiration from, and basically make edits on them. This will save us time and obviously money, because it will require less prompts. Now, what I will do next is basically go through the whole website and make a list with all of the small changes that are required. Maybe make the navbar sticky, make those links work, change the colors on those buttons that don't really match the overall design, and so on. So this is my process, this is my workflow in Lovable. If you want to use Lovable, you have a link in the description down below. Basically, I want to make sure that my first prompt, which is the most important thing, is full of context, full of information, so that I can give Lovable as much information to play with, and make sure that the first generation, the first version, is as close to the final product that I envision. This will save me a lot of time and obviously a lot of money, because it will require less prompting. Make sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed this, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.